Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back, children. Enjoyed the weekends? Nice? Wow, great. So you're fresh now, correct? Yes, great, children. Very good. So do like this. Just do like this. Apply on your face. Rub, rub nicely, children. Rub like this. Rub nicely. Apply on your face. Feeling so fresh now? Yes, yes. So, shall we go to today's session? Yes, na? Great, children. Okay. Today, we are going to learn maths. Yes, you know this maths is fun for us. By fun, we are going to learn maths today. You're all ready? Yes? Wow, lovely. Children, what is this? Book. Yes, very good. See, if you want to buy this book, what do you need? What do you need? How you will get this book? So you all have your books and notebooks, correct? How you got that? From, okay, where means you can tell from shop. That's perfect, okay? What you gave and they gave you the books and notebooks? Yes, we give money for them and we will get whatever we want, correct? So, money is important now. Correct na? Yes? We are writing our homeworks. We are studying everything. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. If you study well in future, you can be a very good person. Okay? Yes? Good children. See, at this young age, we should try to save money. Okay? You're all saving money? Yes? Wow, good. Some of you are saying yes, teacher. Yes means it's very good. Some of you are saying no. No problem. Save it in your piggy bank and you should not take that. Okay? Save the money. Even it is smaller, no problem. Save it. Don't spend unwantedly. Save money now. Okay? And give it to your parents. They will feel so happy. Yes, na? Yes, very good, children. Keep it up. So, we should spend money if it is wanted. Unwantedly, we should not spend money. Okay? Correct? So, at this stage itself, we should learn to save money. Okay? Good. See, this is rupee note. You have seen this, na? At home, you would have seen this. Correct? This is rupee. This is dollar. In India, we are using rupees. What is it? The currency we are using is rupee value. Rupees. Which is in the paper. It's rupees. Okay? Indian rupee. In foreign, it's dollar. In USA, we sell. First, it is dollars. Okay? In USA, what is the value? It's dollars. See, every country have its own value. Okay? In India, we are in senior KG now, right? So we will learn bit by bit. Okay? We are in India now. So in India, what is our money value? Rupees. Yes. You have seen the symbol of rupees now? Yes? I will show you. Wait. In the last, I will show you. Okay? This is Indian values. Rupees. In USA, it is dollars. In Canada, it is dollars. Likewise, each country have their own value of money. Okay? Yes, children. In coin, rupees are there. Okay? You can invest. You can save it now. We are small children now. So, you try to save it in a small piggy bank. Okay? In any ways. Or else you just give it to mama and papa. Anyways, they will save for you. So, you start saving if you get your money. Okay? Yes, don't spend money unwantedly. It might be in coins also. Okay? Yes, na children? Yes? So, our papa and mama are getting money. For whom? For you only. Yes, because children are very safer now. Correct? You are safely in home. Sitting at home, you are doing everything. Correct? So, they are earning money. Correct na? Yes, if you want to get car, you need to give money. Correct? If you want to get house, you need to give money. If you want to purchase a new dress, if you want to go shopping, as you want to spend life nicely, you want to have money. For that, what you should do now? Study well. Good. If you study well, you can earn nicely. Okay? Whatever you want for decorating your house, whatever you want to have in your house, we need to have money. If we give money, we can get whatever we want now. Is it fine? Understood? Yes, children. Now, shall we move on to our maths workbook? Yes, I'm going to show you a funny thing, a lovely thing for you. Let's see what it is. It is also a new thing for you, children. You know? Yes, come with your maths workbook, my dear children. Yes, take page number 120, 120. Done? Wow, only with your pencil, yes? Fine, dear. Come with your pencil. Ready? Yes, write CW. Perfect. See, you're grown up now. You started knowing what to write and all. Very good. So, what is the topic? Money. Good. Yes. Now read the heading. Match the currency notes to make pairs. You know what it is? See, children, these are all the paper notes. This is currency we are using in India. What is the currency value we are using now? I told you now, it is rupees. What is that? Indian? Rupees. What is it? Indian? Rupees. Perfect. Very good. See, these are all the rupee notes. Okay, you would have seen few notes. You would have not seen few notes. Okay, wait. I'll show you. See, the first one is, see the left side. First one is the 5 rupees note. Second one, below one is 2 rupees note. And the below one is 1 rupee note. Have you seen this? No, na? That's okay. You can see here now. Okay. And what is the below now? It's 100 rupees note. Yes, this you have seen. Correct? Okay. And below 100 rupees, what it is? It's 50 rupees note. See, what is that value? That value will be printed on the note. Okay. Our Indian currency, which is rupee note. Okay. Okay. Below 50 rupees, what is that? You would have seen that too. Yes. 20 rupees note. Very good. And below 20 rupees, what is that? 10 rupees note. Perfect. Good. See, the right side also, there is same currency notes only. Okay. Now we understood what is rupee note, how it is valuable, and how we should spend. Unwantedly, we should not spend, like we come to know now. Correct? Okay. So, shall we match to the same thing? See, the first one is the 5 rupees note. See what is there in the right side? What is that? It is a 1 rupee note. Will both go together? Matlab both are same? No. So now we are going to match. That is what given in the heading. Match the currency notes to make pairs. Okay. Done? Ready now? Okay. Write today's date. Yes. Very good. Yes. Good. December. Very good. 2020. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Shall we start matching? Good. Yes, children. Ready now? Shall we start? Good. What is the first one I told? It's 5 rupees note. Yes. This 5 rupees note should match with which one? Yes. Here with the third one. Match it from the dot to the other dot. Done? Perfect. And what is it below? It's 2 rupees note. You have not seen 2 rupees note now? Just see here. This 2 rupees note should get matched with this 2 rupees note. Done? Well, very good. What is the next one? 1 rupee note. Very good. What is that? 1 rupee note. Now match it. Where is the other 1 rupee note? Very good. Done? Very nice, children. What is that below? It's 100 rupees note. Wow. Where is 100 rupees note? The other side. Yes. Perfect. Now match it with this 100 rupees note. And what is it below? 50 rupees note. Can you see 50 rupees note in your book? Very good. Perfect. Let's see. Match it with this. Done? Very nice. What is the next one? 20 rupees note. Yes, this you would have seen. Correct? Okay? Good, children. ₹20 note with, yes, other 20 rupees note. Done? Correct. We are all in line now? Yes, children, all are in line now? Perfect. What is the last one? 10 rupees note. Shall we match? 10 rupees note with this one. Good. Done? See, these are all, what is it? Rupees note. Yes, currencies, Indian currencies. Okay, perfect. All done? Shall we move on? Yes? Okay, good. See, for your reference, I'll show you once. Done, children? Children, you can check with this. Okay, if you have if you have missed out anything, if you have any doubt, you can check with this. Yes, done? Okay, fine, that's fine. Now see here, this is our homework page. You know what you're going to do? You can take assistance of your mama or papa or your brother or sister, anyone, even dada dadi, anyone is fine. Okay, you should write what we should do. Once the page is given, you have to read the heading. Very good, my smart children. So once the heading, what is the heading now? I will help you out. Okay, I will give you an idea what to do. Right? Okay. See, if you are going to mark it out, we are getting all the provisions, all the things to home now. So we will be knowing what is the amount. Correct? Lastly, when we have went to the market, we would have purchased all this. Correct now? So what is that amount? You have to write this here in the box. Fine? Will you do this homework? Okay, dear. Let's see what all the prizes I'm getting. Fine, children? Good. So you start writing your homework. Yes, see, Bunny started writing. The same way even my children will start writing, I hope. Correct? Yes, children. Say yes, teacher. Very good. Okay. Thank you, children. See you soon. Take care.